Gets loud. It will be loud when we're actually working. Alden Eccles, third generation master roofer and owner of SlopePro Roofing. Today we're going to walk you through the processes of replacing a roof. So as you're getting these online estimates, you know exactly how the process is going to go, get a bunch of technical information and learn as much about putting a roof on as you want to. As we're going through today, we're obviously in our training setting, so we're in a controlled environment. I will walk you through some of the safety steps and some of the things that we'll do in a real world environment, but please remember we're standing here on the ground in a controlled environment. This is where guys are being trained on a regular basis to install the best quality roofs in Richmond. So thank you for being here.